what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do something very interesting. As you can see from the title, we're gonna test some foundation today. We're just gonna test one foundation today. And this is something that I already saw in a couple of videos, and I was so interested that I wanted to buy it myself and try it with you guys. And since it's so affordable, it was so easy to decide to buy this. This is the Dermacol Film Studio makeup cover, and it says it's waterproof, has SPF 30 and hypoallergenic. I don't know how you say it. Just tell me in the comments below. I know I'm butchering every single word that comes out of my mouth in English, so just tell me. And I have here two shades of this foundation, and I want to see which one it suits me better. So this foundation claims to be one of the most covering foundations. Okay, let's just read what it says. I won't have to make up things.
Hypoallergenic waterproof makeup cover with SPF 30 is preservative free. It provides perfect coverage even in thin layers, not only on dark circles under the eyes, but also for unpleasant spots and skin blemishes. It may also be used for the whole face in order to darken or lighten the skin, ensuring ideal balance, or for professional makeup, photo or film shoots, modeling, or festive occasions.
Okay, it claims to be very full coverage, and let's just try it and see how coverageable, oh my god. Let's just see how much coverage will it get, will it do, will it give, will it what? I want to see if it's full coverage or not. Let's just stop here. So again, I have here two colors, and it's 208 and 210. Let's see which one is better for me. So this is how it looks from the inside. This is the box. This is the how do you call it? Okay, so the main problem I have with it here already, that it says the color on the box, but it doesn't say the color on this sort of packaging. I don't remember how it's called. It doesn't have any numbers on here. You don't know which color is it. And since I bought two colors, I'm supposed to leave them in the boxes to know which color is which, so I will mix them. It's a little bit annoying. Let's just see how it looks. It's sealed. Everything is sealed, of course. And okay, a little explosion here. Okay, this one is actually looking not bad. It's a little bit light, but it actually may suit my skin tone. Okay, let's see the other one.
Oh my god! This is not a little explosion here, it's a lot. And I guess this is my color then. I have so much on my hand that I just have to use it now. It's just exploded on me when I opened it. And I actually think that this color might be too light for me. It's like almost white.
And this is the color 208. You should know that this is super white. It's like for Snow Whites. So yeah, I am pretty pale, but I don't think I'm that pale. I think I'm gonna, just because I already have this on my hand, I'm just gonna put this one in the middle of my face, and the other one, since it's much closer to my skin tone, I'm gonna put it on the outer portions of my face, and I'm just gonna mix it and play with it. Basically I'm gonna use this one as a highlighter and maybe even a concealer. We'll just see how it goes. So let's go! Okay, so yeah, I look a little bit scary right now, and that's because those two colors, both of them are too light for me, and I know this, but I should say you can definitely get some coverage from this foundation. It covered pretty well all my blemishes because I had some and you saw it. It has a pretty good coverage, but I have some other thoughts about this foundation and I want to tell you those, but let me finish my face first, let me finish my makeup, and then we'll talk about this in depth. Okay? So, guys, now I don't look like a ghost, right? Those two shades were so light for me, and if you're gonna go and buy those, you should check the, okay, the colors on the pictures are pretty well done, like, you can see the shade, you can see definitely that this one is a little bit more yellow, this one is a little bit more neutral, but it looks a little bit darker, I guess, on the screen, and these shades are really light, so you should be careful. But because this is not so pricey, it's really affordable, so it's not that bad. But I will tell you that I'm not gonna be using this anymore, not on myself for sure, just because this foundation is based on oil. It's very oily, you should know this, and I already have my own oily skin and I don't need more oil on my face. That's why I think it feels really heavy on your face, and it actually looks pretty heavy. It lays down in a pretty thick layer and it doesn't dry down. It always looks very, how should I say, oily. It looks very oily, and as I tried to powder my face to make it shine less, it was looking more and more cakey, so that's a big thumbs down from me. I think if you have very dry skin, it might be pretty good for you. That's why I'm not canceling it out for everybody. I think this foundation has great coverage. It covers pretty well, as you can see. I'm covered. I'm really covered. Like in a thick layer covered. But it's very oily, for me at least, and I'm not gonna use it. Again, if you have dry skin, it might work for you. You might like it. You should buy a couple of shades just because I think they look a little bit darker on the screen. You can find it all over the internet, on Amazon and eBay, and it's very affordable, and they have a big range of colors there, so you should look it up. I will leave a link to this product where I bought it, and yeah. I forgot to say that if you want to see how I did this look, because actually this look just saved the day, because oh mother. If you like this look and if you want to see how I did this look, you should go to the link that I will leave here in the eye area. You should see it right now, and I will leave a link in the description box, of course. If you like this video, if you like what I do here, just leave a like, make me happy today, and if you're new here, you should subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. And guys, I hope you had a great New Year's Eve. And guys, I hope you're having a great holiday season, and I hope you're not sick. I hope you're having a great day, and we will see each other in the next one. Bye guys.